Look at Mistian.
Let's check.
Cyber Monday. He went crazy.
Hey, good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Nag-vlog na ko guys. Good morning, good afternoon na. Look, I'm with my friends. I'm talking to Mika. Roy. Dondonets. Kisa man ni assist just learn. Kisa ni ngit-ngit. Si mahal na, no? Uy, naapa ko Christmas decor pala diri. Ola guys, nindot kitig tanaw, no? Christmas tree. Naghanap daw ng girlfriend si Roy. So, yun. Kung sinong single. Naa siya pala sa London, guys, ngayon. Papunta na si Tami dito. Pauwi na siya. And, yun. Kukunin lang niya yung ina niya. Papunta dito kasi Monday kasi ngayon. So, yun. Andito siya. Editing a video. And I'm doing stuff here. And also, I was also filming here yesterday right here. So, yun. Hi, guys! Monday pa rin, guys. Hindi pa rin nagbabago, guys. Alam nyo ba? Si Tami, late sila makapunta dito kasi late nalabas yung biyanan ko galing dialysis. So, yan. And, oh my God. Nag-expect ako talaga. Sabi pa ni Tami, may news ako sa iyo. Yung Christmas is dito daw sa bahay. Kasi ang alam ko at alam namin, yung Christmas is doon sa bahay ng anak ng sister-in-law ko. Kasi may bago silang bahay. So, akala namin doon yung Christmas. So, ngayon, nagdesisyon yung sister-in-law ko na dito sa bahay. Ay, naku, nagdesisyon talaga sila. Pero okay lang kasi doon kasi yun, yung Thanksgiving sa bahay nila. So, dito, yung Christmas sa bahay. Ay, naku, Lord. So, mag-isip na ako kung ano ang lulutuin. Cyber Monday ngayon. So, maghanap tayo kung meron tayong makikita from Amazon. Fairy Tale Light ba yun? Yung mga ganun. But anyway guys, so gabi na guys, time check, it is 4:07 na ng hapon. Ang Tami hindi pa tumawag. And then, maulan-ulan. So which is it's a really bad time to drive because it's raining. I would like to say hi to Marilyn, Myla, Rizon, Avenir, Mariano. Hi po sis, happy birthday po. I think this is a belated happy birthday. Belated happy birthday po sa inyo. And I'm sorry if it's late. December 1 daw yung birthday niya. Hi po, thank you so much Ate Mai for watching my video. And hi po sa inyo and I hope you enjoy your birthday and I'm sorry na late na. At saka sa nagpapa-shoutout guys, hindi ko na talaga ma-shoutout guys. Maybe one day mag-spend ako ng time talaga sa nagpapa-shoutout sa inyo. At kasi alam nyo naman 3 na yung channel na dinala ko ngayon. And so yun, so even yung gaming channels ko is very low. It's very slow, but it doesn't matter. I still have to keep uploading and enjoy making gaming videos and also yung food time na channel ko. So yun, I'm sorry guys ha, pero meron ako talaga dito, tignan nyo nga ito guys. Meron akong para talagang makita ninyo na hindi talaga ako nagbibiro sa inyo na ito saan ba yun? Ito guys, ito yung mga screenshot na nag-share ng video ko, ito dito. And itong folder na ito yung mga nagpapa-shoutout. So, andito lahat yung nagpapa-shoutout. So, at saka yung dito is yung mga sa food time ko nagpapa-shoutout. So, yun. So, hindi ko na talaga, so dito tax receipt na, mga tax receipt. But anyway, dito guys, dito lahat, inaano ko talaga lahat guys, para lang talaga ma-shoutout ko kayo. Nagdouble-double na ako, nagdubli-double na ako. And, ay, ang daming mga barurok dito guys, mga wire ito guys, charger. Ilagay natin dito para hindi tayo parang kailangan ko ding lumabas kasi meron nilagay akong Christmas decor. Halika. Nakalimutan kong meron pala akong Christmas light done. Did you go get it? Not dirty meat. Go get Dada. Dada, go get him. Go get him. Yeah, he's right there. Go get him. Go get Dada. What Dada doing? What is Dada doing? Hmm? You go get him. Go get him. You go get him. Yes, you go get him. We still look. Go get Dada. There's a bonsai, Dada. There's a bonsai from Dada. Where is it? Misty. Where is Dada? Misty. Where's Dada? Go get him. Go get him. I know. Go get Dada. Go get him. I know. Nagawa lang ako ng ano, guys. This is ano ba ito? Ginger po ito, guys. Gusto ni Tami mag-ano ng cucumber. Is that working?
No, apparently I'm going to take each piece of video.
The dog too, oh. They want the bones, Han, the one that you just got. I know, but they don't have that for a while. This him. Look, Misty. Look at Misty. Tell them to sit up, huh?
Someone else? Sit up for it? Would you sit up for it?
Oh my God.
Girl. You sit up? Good girl.
Han, they don't have that for a while.
Yeah.
That's expensive. That's why I don't get it. That's why I don't get it. Yung garage namin hindi nag-work kasi may nangyari sa internet namin and then he doesn't connect. So hindi nag-connect at hindi ako nga nakalabas, diba, for a few days from Saturday to now Monday. Hindi ako nakalabas. Nakaiyak talaga itong onion, no? Next time I really need to buy yung helmet to protect my eyes from this monster. Grabe, ay sakit. Bumili si Tami din ng mga kahit na anik-anik na pork gravy. Ang sakit ng mata ko, turkey gravy, roasted turkey, and of course 2 turkeys, different kind, and my chicken din. Yun. And of course, dahil nakita ni Tami ito, kakainin niya to, I don't know, pork cracklings. Pork cracklings? It's like a chicharon. There's Dodo. How is he? Ito yun siya, guys. Garlic, onion, ginger. Oh, no garlic, guys. It's ginger and onion. And then, yan, yung vinegar at soy. And then, yung mozzarella bolsy. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
He's here.
Let's check.
Cyber Monday. He went crazy.
He did not. He did spit.
He did, seriously. Shopaholic. Arrive Wednesday. What is that? Is that this coming Wednesday?
Yes.
2 lighters. Nothing arrived today?
Delivered Saturday, delivered Friday, arriving November 28th through December 3rd. Change, so they didn't deliver yet.
I need.
Right? What's tomorrow? November 27th. Also,
What is tomorrow?
27th.
26?
Today's 26th.
I'm gonna go to the shower. I'm gonna do half bath. It's time to do half bath, guys. Mag half bath tayo. Merry Christmas to you. To you. You to.
Oh, God.
Oh. We're gonna go up soon. Nanonood kami ng bulbul. Punta lang kami sa taas. Tamis na hinahanap niya si Hubs, guys, kasi hindi daw niya nakikita. Always love his son. Always think about him. He's a son of a gun. The thing about Tommy, if he doesn't see anyone, he'll check.
Then I worry about him.
Yeah, me? I don't even pay attention. I know they're here.
Doesn't mean they're safe. Doesn't mean they're safe.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna put this in the wash.
Okay.
Wear it tomorrow.
Yun din yung susuotin niya bukas. Labhan niya yon.
What?
No. Labhan niya yung sinina niya pagdating dito. And then, suotin niya bukas. So, yun yung style niya kasi wala siyang gamit dito, guys. Hindi niya dinala yung mga gamit niya dito. Katulugo naman ko, guys. Uy. Tulugo na ako ba nang gusto na akong matulog. May eye bags na ako. Noon wala akong ka-eye bags. I mean, meron naman pero hindi grabe. Pero ngayon, meron na talaga kasi sobra kong aga magising kasi. Itong mga kaibigan ko kasi sobra ang aga. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Insert shoutout. Mag-insert shoutout po tayo, guys. And bilisan ko lang ito, guys. I-add ko lang ito dito sa video na ito. Hi to May Rosario from Tacloban City. Hi! Hi to Mommy. Hi to Mommy Iransu. Thank you, sis. Hi po. Thank you so much. Hi to Roth Simbulan. Hello po from Las Baños, Laguna. Hi to Aisa Me Vlog. Hello po, sis. Thank you for watching. And also, hi to Entertainment Videos. Hi to Ashley Signoron. And also, hi to Ellen's Simple Life. Hello po, sis. Thank you so much. And also, hi to Michelle Rodara. Hello po, sis. Thank you for watching, sis. Hi to Patrick Tria. Hi, sis. Sorry, Pat. Natawag kitang sis. Hi, Patrick Tria. Nagpapa-hi si Patrick Tria. Nagpapa-shoutout siya sa roommate daw niyang sis Tuason's birthday niya tomorrow from Cebu. Happy birthday! Belated. Happy birthday sa friend ni Patrick Tria. Sam Tuason. I see Sam Tuason daw. Happy birthday, Sam Tuason from Cebu. Belated na po ito. Sorry, Pat, ha. Kasi as in late na talaga ako makapag But thank you so much. Happy birthday, Sam. Thank you. Thank you, Pat. And also, hi to Babe Marinas. Hello po, Babe Marinas. Thank you so much for watching. Late also nasa magpapa-shoutout din. Hi to Norika Ritiza at saka happy birthday daw this coming December 4. Happy birthday, sis. Belated December 4 daw yung birthday niya. Norika Ritiza. Happy birthday. Sana nag-enjoy ka, sis. And also, hi to Silva Lazona Ulan from Malvar, Batangas. Hello po, sis. Thank you for watching. Hi. So, hi to Ilin Ramos Fujibayashi from Tayuma, Japan. Hello po. Thank you for watching. At also, shout out kay Clara Bill Abelgas. Hi po. So, yun lang, guys. Yun lang siya, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Please give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like this video and hope you enjoy this video. Hindi naman siya sobrang nandito lang ako sa bahay. And yes, so thank you, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.